Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. If you like gathered in your dresses, so you need to watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you few designs from which you can get the idea about how you can create gathered in your simple plain or printed kurtis and make it a designer one. So please do watch the video till the end. So I hope you like these designs. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.